But I am here to promise you, we will rebuild Gaza. And we will not rebuild Gaza more beautiful, no, because Gaza was beautiful. We will build Gaza as it was, beautiful and resilient. We will build more schools, more universities, more hospitals, more houses. And guess what? We have experience with recovery. We have even experience with resurrection. We know how to survive. It's in our DNA. We've been through it before. This is not the first time we go through a genocide. This is not the first time we go through ethnic cleansing. I promise you, we will recover and we will rise. But we are not sure if the world will recover this. If every politician who has stood by will recover this, will recover the mass murder of children, the normalization of the mass destruction of schools and hospitals and universities and houses and infrastructure. I want to tell you this. This time we are so determined, absolutely determined, as Palestinians, that it will be the last time. This will be the last time. Never again we will allow Israel to mass murder our children. Never again we will allow them to mass murder our innocent civilians. Never again we will allow them to displace millions of us. Never again we will allow them to destroy our lives.